Hello everyone from B1 Engineering Placements. Today we are going to discuss about the DBMS questions which was asked in yesterday's exam, that is NFTQ exam, which is held on um, 2nd April uh, 2nd April 2021, shift 1. These questions collected from my students, those who are memorized these questions. So please watch my videos. Please subscribe my channel. These are very useful to the coming today's exam or InfyTQ 2022 batch exam. The first question is, consider the account given below, table account. Here this account number, customer ID, balance, account type, status, all these values are given. Select account number, customer ID from account where account type savings. Union, select account number, customer ID from account where status active, balance greater than 5,000. What will be the output for the above query is executed? So accounts, savings accounts here. This one is savings, this one, three. Savings, union, select account number. So first here, account where account types, select this one. So union, select account number, customer ID from account. So initially these values are printed. Account number, customer ID, balance, savings. So here 1001. So account number and customer ID. Here two values are given. Account number and customer ID. These two are printed. So account number 1001 This is savings. So account number, customer ID, 1001, 3, 1003, 10004, 1004. These are printed. These are union with select account number, customer ID from account where status active. Status is active means these three cases is there. And balance greater than 5. No one balance is greater than 5 among these three. So, but this one is closed. So no one is printed. Only these three is printed. Account information, customer ID. These three is printed. Account number 100, 1401, 1403, 1404. Here customer ID 1001, 1003, 1004. This table will be printed on the screen. So this is the answer. Next question. Consider MongoDB collection named item given below. db.item.insert ID1 description sugar price 60 discount 10, ID2 description vinegar price 110 discount 15, ID3 description tea price 200 discount, ID4 description biscuits price 50 discount 20, ID5 description coffee price 75 discount 5. Cat executed the following MongoDB statements: db.item.update or description sugar discount 15 set discount 20, db item remove discount 15. Which of the following statements will be true when the above statements are executed sequentially? Choose two correct options. Now here we see that two item will have discount 15. The item collection have four documents. Two items will have price more than 100. The two items will have discount 20. Now here we observe that two operations is there. So totally we get four documents. The item collection four documents is the correct answer. Next, another one is here. Yeah, discount 15, discount 20. Here, discount 15, discount 20, and remove discount 15. That means here the two items will have discount 20. Two items will have discount 20. So option number B and option number D, these two are the correct answers. Next, another one. Consider the tables employee, project and project details given below. This is employee ID table. At employee table, this is project ID table. This is project details table. Select employee name from employee. Employee inner join project details PD on E dot employee ID equal to PD dot employee ID and E dot employee ID in select PD dot employee ID from project details. PD inner join project P on P dot project ID equal to PD dot project ID. Group by PD dot employee ID having count distinct domain greater than equal to select max of count project ID from project details group by employee ID. What will be the values under the employee name column where the above query is executed? So here what will be the values under employee name column when the above query is executed? Employee name from employee, inner join, project details PD on employee ID equal to PD dot employee ID and employee ID select PD dot employee ID from project details employee ID equal to PD ID. Now here we see that employee ID from project details inner join employee ID equal to PD dot employee ID. So this is employee ID, this is PD dot employee IDs. From project details, inner join project P on E dot project ID equal to PD dot project ID group by PD dot employee ID having count distinct domain greater than equal to select max count project ID from project details group by employee ID. So what will be the values under employee name column when the above query is executed? What will be the values under employee name? So under employee name, what will be the values are there? Employee name. Here E101, 102, 103, 101, 104, 101, 102, 103, 104. So get Tom, John, Jane and Maria. These four will get. So how many values will get means 4 up. What is the right answer? Consider the table information given below. Train information, train ID, train name, departure city, arrival city, train city, number of coaches. Train ID is the primary key. The table has three indexes given below. Which of the following condition will result in table scan? So train ID is the primary key. Here you see train ID T100 and departure city equal New Delhi. So most probably this will be the answer. Consider the relational schema along with the functional dependencies given below. Bus details. These bus details are given: bus number, bus type, route number, source, destination, bus fare, route number, source, comma, destination, bus number, route number, bus fare, bus type, source, destination, bus number, bus type. How many tables will result when the above relation is normalized to 3NF? So here three tables will result in that one. So these questions asked in previous day, that is the InfyDQ exam, which is held on 2nd April 2021, shift 1 from DBMS, Database Management Systems. So this type of model questions asked in previous day. Please watch my videos. Thanks to everyone. Please subscribe my channel.